Hello students, we already studied the theory of the chapter 1 physical world. Here we will see some MCQ which it will be helpful for JEE and NEET exams. See, in your textbook the table 1.1 given in that the some physicists from different countries of the world and their contribution is given. See, here the names of scientists, their discovery and the country of origin. We will discuss it. The first, it is Archimedes. What he has discovered? The principle of buoyancy, principle of lever. The country of origin is Greece. You know that the famous scientist Isaac Newton, he discovered the universal law of gravitation and laws of motion. He is from the United Kingdom, that is UK. Michael Faraday, he discovered the laws of electromagnetic induction. He is from UK. Then next scientist, you know that W.K. Röntgen, he discovered X-rays and he is from Germany. Next it is the neutrons discovered by James Chadwick. He is from UK. Next the C.V. Raman. He is an Indian scientist and he got the Nobel Prize for his work and he discovered the inelastic scattering of light by molecules. Next it is Albert Einstein. He also got the Nobel Prize for his work, that is the explanation of photoelectric effect and theory of relativity. He is from Germany. See, we will discuss some MCQs related to it. See the first, neutrons were discovered by. The options are Fermi, Yukawa, Dirac, Chadwick. Now only we have seen the neutrons discovered by James Chadwick. Chadwick is the correct answer. Second, the country to which Archimedes belongs is Germany, England, Greece, America. The correct answer is Greece. Law of electromagnetic induction was discovered by. Options are Faraday, Fermi, Yukawa, Dirac. The correct option is option A, that is Michael Faraday. Fourth, X-rays were discovered by Coolidge, Röntgen, Maxwell, Fermi. The correct answer is Röntgen. The universal law of gravitation discovered by Coolidge, Newton, Maxwell, Fermi. The correct answer is what? Newton. See, 6. Professor Albert Einstein got Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on special theory of relativity, general theory of relativity, photoelectric effect, theory of specific heat. The answer is special theory of relativity. 7. An Indian scientist who won Nobel Prize for Physics is Coolidge, C.V. Raman, Maxwell, Fermi. The answer is what? C.V. Raman. Link between technology and physics. This table is given in your textbook, that is table 1.2. So you have to read this table. I have taken some of the things from that table, that is technology and scientific principles. Steam engine. Behind steam engine there is a law of thermodynamics, this principle. Next, the sonar. Behind that, the reflection of ultrasonic waves. Optical fiber, total internal reflection of light. Next, computers, digital logic. See, we will see the MCQs related to it. Which of the following principles is being used in sonar technology? Option A, reflection of ultrasonic wave. Option B, photoelectric effect. Option C, superconductivity. Option D, digital logic. The answer is reflection of ultrasonic wave. 9. Optical fiber based on A, reflection of ultrasonic wave. B, total internal reflection of light. C, superconductivity. D, digital logic. The answer is what? Total internal reflection of light, that we will see in 12th standard. Professor Albert Einstein got Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on A, special theory of relativity, that we have seen already. See now these two terms, that is hypothesis and axioms. See, hypothesis is nothing but in Marathi gruhitak. A hypothesis is a supposition without assuming that is true. So hypothesis, that we are knowing that it is an idea which is suggested as possible to explanation. And axios is self-evident, that statement which is accepting, which we are accepting, that is axioms. It is self-evident truth, while a model is a theory proposed to explain observed phenomenon. So there is one objective related to that. Just try to understand. A supposition that is put forward as a probable solution to natural phenomena is called as, the answer is hypothesis. Okay, so hypothesis, it is nothing but idea which is suggested as possible explanation, and axioms, that is nothing but a statement which is accepted and the statement which is proved. Thank you.